Now we'll go for logical NOT operator used for inverting a Boolean value. Like suppose if I have initialized anything as a Boolean and I want the inversion of that, like for example flag value, then in the flag I wanted the reverse of that value. In that case I can use a negation. For example, so here if I declare the Boolean variable, for example flag, and I'll initialize it to true. Now if I try to print out this negation of flag, so what is expected here? False. Okay, so this sign invert your Boolean value into, suppose it is a true, then it will show you the false, it will create it as a false. Suppose it is false, it will show you true. Now assignment operators. What is assignment operator? It is actually used to assign a value to a particular variable, and it has a right to left associativity, that is value given on right hand side of operator is assigned to the variable on the left, and therefore right hand side value must be declared before using it or should be constant. So general format for assignment operator is variable name is equal to the value. So how many assignment operators are here? Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to. So why will go for this operator? So for adding left operand with right operand and then assigning it to variable on the left side. For example, if I have something like a, I have initialized and I want to update this value with a only. So in that case I can write it a plus equal to 5, means whatever the existing value 5 is there, I want to add more 5 values into that a. So in that case I can use assignment operators. So I'll show you example. Suppose I'll declare some variable and I want to update this value. I want to update this by 4. I want to add the 4 into a. So I can write this equation like this: a is equal to a plus 4. Instead of that, I can write a plus equal to 3. So this is, we can say, the short form for this equation. Okay. Value what will be the result of this? We can check. So it is updating my a value. So you can use your multiplication, division, modulus operator like this. So these all are the assignment operator. You can try all the operators, and if you have any doubt you can post it in a comment. Now relational operators. These operators are used to check for relations like equality, greater than, less than, are they returning the Boolean result after the comparison, and are extensively used in looping statements as well as conditional if-else statements. So general format for this is like equal to, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these all are the relational operators. This is telling the relation between the two variables to you. Equal to will return true if they are equal. If two variables are equal. Not equal to will check that they are equal or not. If they are not equal to, then it will return you the true. Then less than will check that is your first value is less than second value, left hand side value is less than right hand side value, then it will return a true, otherwise false. Less than equal to will check the equality also. Like if I write the 5 less than equal to 5, it will return the true. If I write the 5 less than 5, it will return the false. Then 5 greater than equal to. So I'll show you all this operator while we'll go for the if-else statement. Logical operators. These operators are used to perform logical and OR operation, that is function similar to AND gate or OR gate, if you have any idea about it, in digital electronics. So one thing to keep in mind is the second condition is not evaluated if the first one is false. That is, it has short circuiting effect. So used extensively to test for several conditions for making decisions. So conditional operators are and, that means we can say the logical and it returns true when both the conditions are true, and OR will return a true if at least one condition is true. Now bitwise operator. These operators are used to perform manipulation of individual bits of a number. They can be used with any of the integer types. They are used when performing update and query operations of binary index tree and bitwise AND operators. So it returns bit by bit AND of input values. So OR, XOR and complement, these are the bitwise operator. So I'll show you this. AND is also there. Bitwise operator. Suppose if I have a two variables A, B and C, three variables, I'll initialize A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 and C is equal to, I will write A or B. So what do you think, what will be the output? We'll check. 3. And why it is 3? Because it is converting your values into the binary number. So we'll see that what is the binary value for the 2. Any idea? What is the binary value for 1? So for 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1, and for 2 it is 0, 0, 1, 0. And how it's performing the operation? So how it is calculating, what is the OR operation? It returns true if any of the this is 1. So initially both are 0, then both are 0, then in the next one at one position 1 is there, so it will return a 1, and then after that at 1 is there. So 0, 0, 1 is the binary conversion for the 3. So that's why it is returning the 3. So for all the operations, it is performing your gate logic. Like for or, if any of operand is containing the 1, it will return a true. For AND operation, it's mandatory to have at both the side 1. So if I do like this, then what is the result expected here? 0, because at none of the position the 1 is there. So for all the bits it will return a 0. So you can try other operator also, other binary operator, bitwise operator also. If you have any doubt, you can post it in a comment.